These ranchers know the value of the grasslands in Greenwood County and across the Flint Hills, and they want to preserve it.
You've got to take care of the grass and do it right.
The important practice that is being utilized is prescribed burning.
Burning is one of the most important things we do for maintaining our grassland.
Having ranchers manage these grazing lands, it's one of the few models that I've seen that keeps the grass as grass and keeps rural communities alive.
Join us for another adventure into the tall grass prairie as we meet some of the ranch families who tend to the grasslands of the southern Flint Hills of Kansas.
Around 85% of Greenwood County is prairie. It's an oasis on the prairie.
Join us for the premiere at the historic Granada Theatre in Emporia, Sunday afternoon, December 7th, beginning at 2. Admission is free, no tickets required.